How to replay disappearing video on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to replay disappearing video on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So if it's still not updated, then go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram and then make sure to click on the update button if it is available. Once you have done updating your Instagram app, then now you may open it and sign in with your account. Once you have signed in with your account, you may now go to your messages found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then, before we proceed, I would like you to know that you may only replay a disappearing video once. So again, you may only replay a video once. So make sure to go to that chat where you can find the video. Click on play video right here. And then, assuming that you are watching the video, you may close it. And then you may still replay the video by clicking on video right here and then now you may exit it once again. So if you can see that that video is grayed out already or doesn't have the purple color unlike before or the white color of the play button, then that indicates that you may not be able to replay the disappearing video. So that's it. That's how you can replay disappearing video on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.